What's up, Imani Squad? You already know who it is. It's your girl, Imani the Royalty, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm doing a slime DIY. If you don't know what DIY means, it means do it yourself. So that's what I'm doing. Today, I made some stretchy DIY slime, and what I included in it is glue, Arm & Hammer detergent, and some broken up candle. So thanks for clicking, and we're just going to get into this video. Thanks. Right here I have a mixing bowl, and I'm using Elmer's glue that you can find at Randall's, Walmart, Walgreens, anywhere that you think that is most convenient for you. And right now, I don't know why, I'm just about to stir this glue just to satisfy me to make sure that it is thoroughly combined. So now I have some Arm & Hammer washing detergent, and I got this from Randall's, but you can get this from Walmart or Walgreens or any store that is most convenient to you. I'm going to add a little at a time. When I say little, I mean little. Don't add too much because then it'll be too gulpy and then your slime will just be messed up. So right now I'm just going to stir this slime and, well, this glue and this detergent together. And now I'm going to get y'all when I'm done. I ended up adding more glue and detergent, so make sure, like I said, you add little at a time. It is very stretchy and it is not sticky at all. It is actually very fun to play with. You can make bubbles with it. It's not fluffy, but it's stretchy. And I didn't even add any lotion or anything. It's just Arm & Hammer washing detergent and everything. So now I'm about to add in my broken up candle, which I just dropped. And it's peppermint scented and it smells like really good. In a couple of days, the detergent smell will go away and you will be left with the peppermint or whatever scent your candle is scent. So just give it some time and it'll work. So now right now I'm picking up all the stuff that I just spilled. And now I am going to mix it. Well, not mix it, but like play with it and get the candle broken up into smaller little pieces and mix into the slime. As you can see, it is very fun to play with. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and I will see y'all in my next video. I love you guys so much and I want to say thanks for clicking. Bye. Deuces.